Tech Tip Thursday. Flavor Fusion soda machine from Cornelius. So, with this particular unit, one thing I get asked frequently is how do I Brix this particular machine? So, currently we're sitting where we're able to dispense. Remember that this machine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 machines independently, all run through one power supply. So when I work on this board, this one will still be functioning as normal. And the pieces and parts are interchangeable between these. So your board for this will be the same as your board for this. It's all about how you program it. So Brixing, back to that. We start by going into our first level of support, or our first level of operation. So currently we're in run. We're going to take it out of run by pressing our 2 buttons here until we get a change in our screen. So now you can see we're flashing. This spot right here is where we would decide if this is going to be carbonated, non-carb, or any of the flavor shot options. So you have 5 options. I don't remember what the flavor shot ones are, but I can tell you solid is carb, and flashing, first level flashing, is going to be your non-carb. So if I tap this right now, it'll start flashing. So now that would be Dr. Pepper with no carbonation. A second tap, that made it into a flavor shot. A third, still a flavor shot. A fourth, flavor shot. And then our fifth should bring it back to solid. It's not, because I had an extra tap in there. So once it's back to solid, now it's back to a carbonated beverage. Now, Brixing. We're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4. We take 1 and 4. We press 1 and 4 until we see a change in our display again. And now at this point, we have the ability to tap here. We'll get our water. That's going to be our water. It gives us 10 seconds. This side is going to be our carb water. So those are just your buttons up here. So carb, water, and then our flavor shot is going to be 10 seconds of flavor. And that is how you Brix this. What do I do to get it out of this? Exactly the opposite of what you did before. 1 and 4 brings us out of programming. So we're back to where we could select what we want it as far as which water goes with what flavor. And then press our water. And now we are back to normal operation. So keep in mind that if you put any of these to a flavor shot, as soon as you make that one a flavor shot, the rest will all be flavor shots, and you will not get carb or regular water. So something to kind of keep in mind. Hopefully that helps you out. Have a wonderful day.